Hello everyone! Today I'm going to create Christmas tree. You can download more Christmas trees on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube-Sale75. The promotion will last for a month. To create this design, you will need glue for wood and acrylic markers if you want to paint your Christmas tree. You can color this design with any color you want. After the paint dries, I start gluing the design layer by layer. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more Christmas trees on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube-Sale75. The promotion will last for a month.